Welcome content creators, whether experienced or beginners. In today's video, I am going to share with you the ultimate guide to uploading videos on YouTube, ensuring maximum visibility and impressions for your content. One problem content creators, especially on YouTube, have been struggling with is low views on their videos. So in this video, I am going to spell out all the juice on how to upload videos to YouTube the professional way to gain more views on your YouTube videos. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, and let's get to work. Before we even begin talking about uploading a video to YouTube, one thing as a content creator you should keep in mind is the YouTube algorithm and how it affects you as a content creator. Yeah, I know that is the only thing you do not want to hear, but do not worry, there's only one thing you should know about the algorithm if you want to get more views on your YouTube channel. I am not going to talk about all the arithmetic or logical proceedings that other content creators talk about when they are discussing the YouTube's algorithm. What I have for you is straight from the borders of YouTube, and it's not anything that is going to scare you, and it's this.
The main job of the algorithm is to serve the user when they show up. A lot of creators think about things from the creator perspective. Oh, well, I make a video and then YouTube pushes it out to a bunch of people.
That is it, and it's true. We as small YouTubers or even big ones think the only thing the algorithm does is to show our videos to viewers whenever we upload it. But what the algorithm really does is to serve the viewer with the right video at the right time, depending on their interest, which the algorithm gets to know through their watch history. So do not be scared when you watch any YouTube education video and they tell you the algorithm does this or this. There's nothing special or complicated about the YouTube's algorithm. So now let's look at one thing that favors the algorithm, and its impressions on our videos. Basically, impressions are when the algorithm shows your videos to viewers on the platform. So what are the things that can trigger the algorithm to show your videos to people? You probably know that by now. They are the video's title and thumbnail. I will speak on that later on in the video, so keep watching. Let's look at the things you should probably do before even deciding to make a YouTube video. That important thing you should do before doing any other thing like scripting or recording a video is research. I mean extensive research of the topic you want to make a video on. There are three tools I recommend you use for your topics and keywords research. They are Google Trends, vidIQ, and ChatGPT. Let me quickly break them down for you. With Google Trends, you can make research on topics to know if they are trending or not. When you search for a topic in Google Trends and set the location to worldwide and where you want the search query to come from to YouTube search, you can see on the graph below times when the topic has been of high interest to many people, and make sure to make videos pertaining to that topic at that time. And below the graph, you can also see places where the topic has been of high interest to people. With vidIQ, they have a keyword feature on their websites where you can go and search for any keyword and you get results showing you how high they have been searched for and if there are any competitions around that keyword to help you make the right decisions when it comes to making a video around that topic. And with ChatGPT, it's an AI tool where you can go to get detailed and well-structured scripts for your video. You can also get thumbnail ideas and title recommendations for a particular topic. So when it comes to creating compelling content that resonates with your target audience, one place you should keep an eye on is your channel's analytics in your YouTube studio. With a YouTube studio, you can get data on videos that worked well for your channel and can double down on that because those are the videos that resonate with your target audience and their interests. And remember, the algorithm shows viewers videos based on their interest through the watch history. You should also know that another way to enhance your video's discoverability is by using relevant tags and hashtags for your videos. With the vidIQ browser extension installed, you can get the tags used by popular videos in the topic space you want to make a video about. So you can just copy those tags and add them to your own video to also get more views. When it comes to the video production best practices, the recommended practice to incorporate in your video is capturing attention quickly with engaging and straightforward intros. Just like at the beginning of this video, in the very first few seconds, I spelled out what the video is about. Welcome content creators, whether experienced or beginners. In today's video, I am going to share with you the ultimate guide to uploading videos on YouTube, ensuring maximum visibility and impressions for your content. By doing this, you encourage viewers to stay longer to know what your video has to offer because you didn't at the very first few seconds begin talking about stuffs which are far from what the video is about, like talking about your new baby or the camera you bought. The key is to go straight to the point and viewers will stay longer into your video. And now, some few upload settings you should be keeping an eye on is writing attention grabbing title that includes relevant keywords, which you can do with ChatGPT. Also, making sure your video's description is detailed, containing keywords and timestamps. You should also make sure to use eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represents the content of your video you are uploading. Now, after you have done all these things and your video has been uploaded, make sure to share your videos across other social media platforms. YouTube themselves advises us to do this.
I wouldn't rely entirely on YouTube as the only way to drive attention to your content. Identifying other places where your content might be relevant could be everything from Facebook groups, Discord servers, Twitter, etc. Seed your video in places where you are going to get some watch history and kickstart that signal.
Also, make sure to engage with your audience by responding to comments even if you receive only one comment. That way, you make your viewers feel important and they know that you actually care about them. Analyze video performance using YouTube analytics and adjust strategies accordingly. That way, you know what video to make next because your viewers were interested in the previous video you made. The last thing you should make sure to do is consistently upload high quality content on the regular schedule so that your viewers know you are an active channel and subscribe to you because you frequently upload high quality videos to answer their questions. So to get more views on your videos, make sure to make research on any topic before making a video on that. Use eye-catching thumbnails and curious titles for your videos. Make your intro short and straight to the point. Make sure to apply these strategies to your own YouTube channel, and I promise you that in less than 30 days, you are going to get a boost in views and subscription. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for future updates. See you next time. Peace out.